What's up? It's Asid Tone. Thanks for chilling with me. In this video, we're going to be going over the difference between midis, trackouts, basically everything that's on this list right here. This is going to be a series that I do, how I set up my templates, the difference between compression, FET, opto, VCA. This would be a great series to start watching so you can actually know the difference between these compressors, EQs, basically the standard. The first definition is a MIDI. I start my sessions with a MIDI and an audio. A MIDI I would use if I'm trying to play a specific instrument or the notes of a specific instrument. Drag the instrument that you would like, and then you would play the instrument. If you would like the audio track, then you're probably going to be making creating a loop, or you're going to create some type of sample. If it's an audio file, it makes a complete loop without skipping, without missing a beat. Place the MIDI on whatever instrument track that you have on that MIDI track, and then that should also play in a complete loop as well. A sample could be like a section of a specific song that you cut and then warp onto your grid, or it can be drums or instrument that you're taking out of something that's already existing. So a song that you like and you try to take some elements out of that, like you sampling from that. Some DAWs you can actually resample. When you sample something and then you add something to that, you can actually have a track that resamples both of them. The difference between a sample kit and a sample pack: a constructive or deconstruction of the session. A kit would usually have like all the elements to create that session or to create that beat. Whatever is inside of the pack, that's usually to create a specific project, a complete project. Now a pack can usually be like a whole bunch of random stuff as far as samples, loops, one hit. What is a zip? It's a folder that you compress into a more shareable file. You would export stems into one folder. That one folder you would right click and send to compress the zip, and then that's how you would compress the zip. These tracks that you tracked out created a zip, and now you're sharing it with whoever you need to share it with. So trackouts, stems are the same exact thing. Two tracks. It's one track, but on the track you see two waveforms. That's what makes it the two track. You see the stereo waveforms of that song. When you export it, so you're about to master it, the mix, that one file, that is the two track. And then you master it, then of course that's the master track. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, y'all know what to do. Thanks for watching. I'm Asid Tone, and I'll see y'all in the next video.